Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to explain one more important method to solving the quadratic equation. This is called quadratic formula. This is also called Sridharacharya formula. So this formula here I am going to prove this formula using the completing square method. In my last two classes, I explained how can you solve the question using completing square method. Those of you solved, you will understood it easily. And if you have not done, here once again I am going to explain how you apply the completing square method, because this formula will proved with the help of this method. So let I have considered ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Already you know where a, b, c are the real numbers and a should not equal to 0. I have considered in this way. To use the quadratic formula, I have explained you need to divide whole terms by the coefficient of x square. So same thing you need to do, but here one change I have done. If you want you can do, otherwise same as you can solve. I have transposed c to the right side, then it becomes minus c. After that I have divided by a. So you can do this way, otherwise like earlier that you are doing. So both way same, no any problem at all. तो a से अगर हम डिवाइड करें तो देखो क्या मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी, बिकॉज ए कैंसिल हुआ, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी अपॉन इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस सी अपॉन ए. मीन्स हमने बोथ साइड ए से डिवाइड कर दिया. इज इट क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट take the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? b upon a, and make its half. That is because b upon 2a and its whole square must be added on both sides. Same side करते हैं, add and subtract. Two sides हो गया तो both side add करना है. तो here adding b upon adding b upon 2a the whole square. b upon 2a the whole square on both sides. So what you will get? X square plus b upon into x plus b upon 2a the whole square is equal to minus c upon a plus b upon 2a the whole square. So as already I have explained, this is a square, this is b square. When you will find out 2ab, you will get equal to that. Look here, twice of a is x and b is b upon 2a. तो ये 2 कैंसिल हुआ, क्या मिला? b upon into x. So b upon into x. If this sign is plus, you will get a plus b the whole square. If it is minus, then a minus b the whole square. So we got x plus b upon 2a the whole square is equal to minus c upon a plus b square. Look, it's square. b square upon 4a square. This part I have simplified here. What is the LCM? LCM is 4a square. So if you take the LCM 4a square, so by taking LCM, it is b square. ये पॉजिटिव टर्म्स को हमने फर्स्ट में नोट कर लिया, प्लस बी स्क्वायर एंड हियर मल्टीप्लाई हुआ 4a. सो माइनस 4ac, b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So this is its value. If a square is equal to something, a is equal to root of that. So similarly x plus b upon 2a the whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Therefore x plus b upon 2a is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. As per property, you know, when square root you will take, so there are the two sign will come, plus and minus, both sign will come right now. So plus minus. So therefore x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, and root of 4a square is 2a. So we got here 2a. Both are having same denominator, therefore x is equal to, can be written minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called the quadratic formula. This formula is known as the quadratic formula. This is also called Sridharacharya formula. And in this formula, to learn it simply, there is one term is given, b square minus 4ac. This term b square minus 4ac is called discriminant d. इसको हम d से denote करते हैं. So d discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Means this b square minus 4ac can be denoted with letter capital letter d. So x is equal to minus b plus square root of d upon 2a. And see here plus and minus. So I have taken plus, x is equal to minus b plus root d upon 2a, and second x is equal to minus b minus root d upon 2a. But already you know that इन द स्क्वायर रूट, जो भी वैल्यू स्क्वायर रूट में हो, दैट मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव फॉर real values. So for real roots, therefore this discriminant, this b square minus 4ac means d must be either greater or equal to 0. If it is less than 0, then our root is becomes non-real roots. So therefore b square minus 4ac, what is d? B square minus 4ac must be greater or equal to 0 for real roots. So according to that, we will discuss afterwards the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So here is the method, and this method you can learn, or this you can learn. These are called quadratic formula. This is also known as the Sridharacharya formula, because this formula is given by the mathematician Sridharacharya. So now I am going to explain 1-2 question based on this quadratic formula. I hope you understood the quadratic formula. Must you need to learn this formula. X is equal to minus b root of d plus minus upon 2a. So here I explained some question based on this property. So students, let us take one question and I will explain the question using this method. So that is given, find the roots of question number 3rd from exercise 4.3. It is given, find the roots of the. So if you see, it's second question, question number 2 of the exercise 4.3. Students, it's exercise 4.3, its second question. It is given, find the roots of quadratic equation given in question number 1 above by applying quadratic formula. By applying quadratic formula you can solve. So I will explain 1-2 question based on this also. Like I want to explain its question number first, its question number 3rd by using quadratic formula. It is given 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. This we need to solve by using quadratic. So it is very much simple formula. According to that, you can solve this question. Firstly, note a. What is a? 4. What is b? B is the coefficient of x, that is 4 root 3. Next, write c. What is c? 3. Right now? So we got a, b, c. Then to solve using quadratic formula, write the value of d. You know, discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4a into c. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So put these values. What is b? B is 4 root 3 square minus 4a into c. And as you will solve, you will find out the value of d. What is d? 16 3s are 48, right? 4 square 16 3s are root 3 square 3. 4 4s are 16, 3s are 48 again. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So we got d is equal to 0. As I have explained, d must be greater or equal to 0. So we are getting that. Therefore, it has real roots. Real roots. So the equation having real roots. And students, afterwards I will explain, if d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So it is having the real and equal roots. We can verify here how you can get that. So roots, to find out roots, x is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b plus root of d upon twice of a first root. So if you find out it, minus b, what is b? B is 4 root 3 plus root of 0, d is 0 upon twice of a is 4. So what you will get, 4 4 cancel हुआ, मिला क्या? Minus root 3 upon 2. देखो first root हुआ minus root 3 upon 2. जरा सा we'll check its second root. What is the second root? So second root, x is equal to minus b minus root d upon twice of a. Twice of a. So minus 4 root 3 and minus root over 0 अपॉन ट्वाइस ऑफ ए. ये तो 0 हो गया, तो 4 कैंसिल हो सकता है. क्या मिला? माइनस रूट 3 अपॉन 2. तो ये स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन लर्न दिस वन नेचर here clear that if d 0, so you can understood the nature also. If d 0, if discriminant is 0, then roots are roots are real and equal. How can you guess? How can you tell it? Because first root minus root 3.2 and second is also minus root 3.2. So this is the property of the root. This is the nature of root. If discriminant is 0, then the roots are real and also equal. So this is one question I have explained. And there is the question. I will explain the question from question number 3 of this exercise 4.3. So question number 3. This I am solving the questions from exercise 4.3. Question number 3, its first part. Look to question number 3, its first part. What is given in this question? It is given the question x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Given x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. But here x should not equal to 0. Why? Because 1 upon 0 is not defined. This is not defined value. Therefore, you need to write it right now. Now, first of all, we need to simplify this equation in proper order. So, take the LCM. What is LCM? X. So, you will get x square minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Then, do the cross multiplication. You will get x square minus 1 is equal to thrice of x. Transpose this 3x here. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. We got this is the in standard form. So this equation is written in this standard form. Now I am going to solve it by using quadratic formula. So firstly we need to write the value of a. What is a? You can tell 1. What is b? Minus 3. What is c? C is minus 1. So I have written the value of a, b and c. So now we will find out d. What is d? B square minus 4a into c. What is b? Minus 3 square minus 4a. What is a? A is 1 into c minus 1. Solve it. 3 square is 9. Minus 3 square is plus 9. Minus 4 into minus 1, that is plus 4. So we got 13. You can understood here d is 13, which is greater or equal to 0. Therefore roots are real. Roots are real right now. So its roots are real. This equation is also having real roots but not equal roots because d is not 0. So now we will check which type of roots are here. These are not equal, means unequal roots. So I will find out here the roots. X is equal to minus b right now, minus b plus root of b upon twice of a. So what is minus b? What is b? B is here minus 3. So minus minus it becomes minus 3. We will write plus root of d. First root, root 13 upon twice of a is 1. So that's why root 13 plus 3 means you can say 3 plus root 13 upon 2. And what is second? X is equal to minus b minus root b upon twice of a. So you can understood this will be same. Only यहाँ sign change होगा, minus root 13 upon 2. So you can see both roots are not equal. अगर ये alpha और ये beta हो जाए, alpha is not equal to beta, means if d is strictly greater than 0, then roots are real. Then roots are real but unequal. But unequal. ये equal नहीं होगा. So this is second property. Afterwards I will explain in detail the property. But here with the question you can understood that how can you understood the nature of roots. If d is strictly greater than 0, then the roots are real but unequal. And if d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if d less than 0, then no any real roots is possible. So this is the, and next question I will explain. Question number 3rd, its second part. I will explain the second part also. Question number 3rd, its second part, students. So this is second part. It is given solve the equation 1 upon x plus 4 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7, 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30, where already you can tell what mean not x should not equal to minus 4 and also 7. So how can we solve? To solve by using any method, means factorization or completing square or quadratic formula. Firstly, we need to write this equation in standard form. Okay, so take the LCM. What is LCM here? X plus 4 into x minus 7. Here x minus 7 minus x and we got minus 4 is equal to 11 upon 30. Correct? इसको देखो यहाँ पे नोट कर रहे हैं, x minus x cancel, minus 7 minus 4 we got minus 11. Correct ना? Upon, if I will multiply this, so I will get x square, you can understood, plus 4x minus 7x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. करेक्ट ना? ये 11 देखो कैंसिल हो सकता है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. If you do the cross multiply, you will get here minus 30 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 7x. I can simplify that na. 4x minus 7x. What is 4x minus 7x? Minus 3x and minus 28. If minus 30 को transpose करे other side, so it becomes x square minus 3x. देखो माइनस 28, इसको यहाँ नोट किए, प्लस 30 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो इट बिकम्स एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. करेक्ट ना? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. So now I retain this equation in standard form. Now we can solve by using any method, but here we need to solve by quadratic formula. So a1b minus 2. Then find out discriminant d. What is d? B square minus 4a into c. What is b? B is minus 3 square minus 4. A is 1 into c is 2. So that is minus 3 square 9 minus 8, that is 1. We got d1. So d is equal to 1, which is greater or equal to 0. Greater than 0 but not equal to 0 right now. It is greater or equal to 0. So we got it is strictly greater than 0. Therefore, which type of roots? You can understand roots are real but unequal. Roots are real but not equal. So what are the roots? We can write these roots. The roots are, first root x is equal to minus b plus root of b upon twice of a, that is minus b. What is b? Minus 3 to minus minus plus 3 plus root of d. D is 1, so root of 1 upon twice of a is also 1. So 3, because root 1 is 1, so 3 plus 1 4. 4 upon 2 is so 2. Second root x is equal to minus b minus root over d upon twice of a, that is minus plus 3 minus root of 1 is 1 upon 2 into 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 upon 2, that is 1. Therefore 2 and 1 are the roots. You can verify your property also. Since d is strictly greater than 0, therefore we are getting the real but unequal roots. Okay. So next, student, I will explain one more question based on the word problems. So it is question number 5th of your textbook. It is given in a class test. The sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Find her marks in a class test. The sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So there are the marks of 2 subjects is given. mathematics and English. It is 30. So question number 5th. To solve this question, if I will let say Falis English mark or maths mark, any one subject, say Falis maths marks Bx, because sum of her two subjects marks is 30. So therefore you can understood what is her English mark. Therefore English marks what may be, English marks may be 30 minus x, because sum of both subjects. Afterwards it is given that had she got 2 more marks in mathematics, so how much marks she can get in mathematics according to question? 2 more marks. तो ये हो गया x plus 2, because x था, had she got 2 more marks in mathematics, so that is 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. 3 marks English में x by 30 minus x is 3 less, so how much? 30 minus x minus 3 marks less in English, so minus 3 करेंगे. Then the product of their marks would have been 210. तो उसके marks का जो product होगा that is 210. So after that, so this comes according to the question we got. It is according to the question. So now we'll solve it. So multiply करो x, firstly simplified x plus 2 into 30 minus 3, that is 27, minus x is equal to 210. Then simplified x into 27, we got 27x. X into minus x square, plus 2 into 27, 54, minus twice of x is equal to 210. Correct na? After simplifying this step, minus x square minus 2x, 27x minus 2x plus 25x plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. So minus x square plus 25x minus करेंगे, ये देखो 6 हुआ, 5, right, 156. We got 156 minus 156, right now, is equal to 0. देखो this term is negative, so that's why minus take करेंगे common and transpose करेंगे other side, so we can get x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. If we want to solve by using quadratic formula, then write a. What is a? 1. What is b? Minus 25. And what is c? 156. Correct na? Then find out the discriminant d. What is d? d is equal to b square minus 4a into c. What is b? Minus 25 square minus 4 times of a. A is 1 into c, 156. Already you know 25 square, 625. Minus 4 into 156, 4 6 are 24, 22, 624. It is becomes 1. Correct now? So we got d1. So therefore d1 are. So solve the roots. X is equal to first root minus b plus root over d upon twice of a, that is minus b. What is b? Minus 25 to minus 25 plus root of 1 by twice of a is 1. So that is the minus plus 25 plus 1 by 2, 26 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 13. And second root x is equal to minus b minus root b upon twice of a, that is minus plus 25 minus 1 upon 2, 24 by 2, that is 12. So what are the possibilities? Means it is possible that her maths marks is 13. If she got 13 marks in math, So her English mark will be 30 minus 13. That will be 17. 13 and 17 may be possible answer. One more possible answer is there. If she got 12 marks in math, 12 marks in math, then 18 in English. So this also possible. 12, 18 and 13, 17. Easily you can verify your answer. 13 से 2 more करो तो 13 से 2 more हुआ 15 and 3 less than 17. तो 17 से 3 लेस करेंगे ये हो गया 14 और इसका प्रोडक्ट निकालते हैं. 14 5 जा 70, 14 1 जा एंड 7 210. तो देखो ये करेक्ट आंसर हो रहा है. वेरीफाई हो गया आंसर. सेकेंड, if she got 12 marks in maths, so 2 more 14 and then 18 in English 3 less तो 15. ये भी देखो है 15 into 14 इसका प्रोडक्ट हुआ 210. Both is the correct answer. So correct answer will be 13 17 13 and 17 respectively in maths and English. Otherwise 12 and 18 12 and 18 respectively in math and English. So students, today I have explained the question based on the quadratic formula, and so exercise 4.3 is given. Here some questions already you have done using completing square method, and after that there are the questions are given to solve using quadratic formula, and some word problems are also given. So try these questions. Next day I will explain some more questions from this exercise, and if you are having any doubts you can ask, but complete the work. All of you must solve the questions from exercise 4.3. Thank you.